Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 7th. Chapter 1 Geometrical Construction. Part 5. Now, today in this chapter, we will see what are the types of triangle. So, the type of triangles are by side, by angle. So, first we will see by side. Now, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means having all the sides equal. In equilateral triangle, you will get all the sides equal. Next one is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, you will get the two sides equal. Clear? And the third one is scalene triangle. In scalene triangle, all the sides are different. Clear? Now, let's see the triangles by angles. Clear? Now, first one is acute triangle. Now, acute means less than 90 degrees. So, in acute triangle, all the three angles will be less than 90 degree. The next one is right angle. Right angle means what? Right angle has one angle you will get as 90 degree. And then the third one is obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle has, in obtuse triangle you will get one angle that is more than 90 degree. Clear? But in this chapter you have to study the types of triangle by side. You have to keep in mind what is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Now let's see practice set 2. First question, draw the triangles according to the measures given below. Now here you have to draw the triangles according to the measure given. Here the length of all the three sides are given. You have to construct the triangle according to that length. Now see the first one. In triangle ABC, length AB is 5.5 centimeter, length BC is 4.2 centimeter, length AC is 3.5 centimeter. So all the three sides are given. With the help of this length you have to construct your triangle. So first of all, for constructing a triangle, first we will construct a rough diagram what we have to construct. Clear? So let's first draw a rough diagram on the left hand side of your book. See, with the help of your scale you have to draw a rough diagram over here. Clear? So here we will give the name that is A, B, C. You can take any side anywhere. Clear? So AB is given 5.5 centimeter. So AB we will take 5.5 centimeter. Then BC is given 4.2 centimeter. So BC is 4.2 centimeter. Then AC is given that is 3.5 centimeter. So AC side is given that is 3.5 centimeter. So we have to construct the triangle of this length. So first of all, what you will do, now we will construct our fair diagram. So first of all, what you will do is, first of all we will construct our base. Now our base is AB, that is of 5.5 centimeter. So with the help of your scale, we will draw a base of 5.5 centimeter. Clear? So 5.5 centimeter you have to construct your base. So here we will give the name A, B, that is of 5.5 centimeter. Clear? Now what we have to do, we have to construct our side AC and BC. So how you will construct this side? This side you will construct now with the help of your compass. Clear? Now take your compass, that means your rounder. Clear? We will construct this two side with the help of your compass. Now first of all we will construct this side AC. AC is given 3.5 centimeter. So with the help of your scale, take 3.5 centimeter in your compass. That is 3.5 centimeter in your compass. Place your compass on A. Place your compass on A and draw the arc. Clear? You have to draw the arc. Understood? Now the next side we have to construct is BC. That is given 4.2. So again on your compass, take the length of 4.2. 4.2. And now this compass you have to place it on B and you have to draw the arc. Clear? Like this you have to draw the arc. Understood? Now what you will do is, with the help of your scale, you will draw a line from the center of your arc till A. Again you will draw a line till the center of your arc till B. So here we will give the name, that is C. In our rough diagram we have given the name, that is C. Now this side we have constructed of 5.3 centimeter. Sorry, 3.5 centimeter. And this side we have constructed, that is 4.2 centimeter. Clear? So like this you have to construct your triangle. Understood everyone? Question number 2. Draw an isosceles triangle whose base is 5 centimeter and remaining two sides are 3.5 centimeter each. Now here what we have to draw? We have to draw an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? The two sides are equal. Clear? So first of all we will construct our rough diagram. Understood? So let's first draw our rough diagram. So with the help of your scale we will draw the rough diagram what we have to construct over here. Clear? So here you can give the name, that is PQR, any name you can give. Now here base is 5 centimeter, so our base is QR. So this we will construct of 5 centimeter. Clear everyone? Now the two sides are given, that is of 3.5 centimeter. So QP is, we have to construct 3.5 and PR we have to construct, that is 3.5 centimeter. Clear? So let's construct our fair diagram. So first of all we will construct our base, that is of 5 centimeter. So QR is our base, we have to construct, that is of 5 centimeter. So QR 5 centimeter. Clear? Now we have to construct our what? Two sides, QP and RP. So with the help of your again compass we have to construct the remaining two sides. So 3.5 is given. So take 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter in your compass. Clear? You have to take 3.5 centimeter in your compass and you have to place it on Q. Place it on Q and draw the arc. Clear? Now the same measurement we have to place it on R and draw the arc. Clear? Now what you will do, again with the help of your scale, the midpoint of your arc, you will draw a line till Q. Again from the midpoint of your arc, draw the line till R. So this one is P. The two sides are 3.5 centimeter. Here also 3.5 centimeter. Understood? So this is your isosceles triangle. Clear? Understood everyone? Question number 3. Construct an equilateral triangle having side 6.5 centimeter. So here you have to construct an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means having all the sides equal. Understood? So here we have to construct our equilateral triangle. So let's construct our equilateral triangle. So first of all what we will construct? We will construct our rough diagram. So with the help of your scale again we have to construct our equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all the sides are equal. So here we have to give the name X, Y, Z. Any name you can write down over here. Any letter you can write down over here. Equilateral means all the sides are equal. So all the sides we will take, that is 6.5 centimeter. Understood everyone? Now what you will do? Now first of all we will construct our base, that is YZ. So with the help of your ruler, with the help of your scale, construct the base that is of 6.5 centimeter. Clear? So this is your YZ, 6.5 centimeter. Now we have to construct the remaining two sides with the help of your compass. So in your compass take the length of 6.5, that is 6.5 you have to take, and place it on Y and draw the arc. Clear? Now the same measurement you have to place it on Z and you have to draw the arc. Clear? Now with the help of your scale, from the center of this arc you have to draw the line till Y. Then again from the center of this arc you have to draw the line till Z. So this one is our X and these two sides are of 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. Clear? Understood? Thank you.